आज की वीडियो जो है वो मैं अपनी डॉटर के नाम पे दूंगा वीडियो, और मैं चाहूँगा थोड़ा सा हम सवालात पूछेंगे अपनी डॉटर से। एम्पायर स्टेट, Empire State. So what you're looking here, baby?
We're looking at the whole view area.
Right? And how your trip? And did you enjoy with your dads or you bored? Last time you stay in the hotel, right? And after that we walk. How you feel that one?
I hate walking.
Oh, you hate walking. Why? Why? अगर आपको मेरी ये छोटी छोटी वीडियो और मेरी छोटी छोटी टिप्स आपकी जिंदगी में चेंज कर रही है, लाइफ विद मंसूर यूट्यूब पे जाएं, हमें सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू। Once again, this is Mansoor Naqvi. I am the president and CEO of MBE group of the company. दोस्तों, आज की वीडियो जो है वो मैं अपनी डॉटर के नाम पे दूंगा वीडियो, और मैं चाहूँगा थोड़ा सा हम सवालात पूछेंगे अपनी डॉटर से। दोस्तों, little bit forget about her because she stay in English. I will ask the question Urdu. I hope she will give the right answer. लेकिन आप इस वीडियो को ज़रूर एंजॉय करेंगे। मैं चाहूँगा कि फरवा अपना पूरा नाम बताएं आप।
Sayyida Farwa Naqvi.
सैयदा फरवा नकवी। Farwa, where are you right now?
In Manhattan.
Manhattan. Oh my God. Which building we are? Empire State? Empire State. So what you're looking here, baby?
We're looking at the view of the whole area.
Speak loudly so everybody
We're
hears.
looking at the whole view area.
Whole view area. Okay. So did you like the Empire State? So can you tell me about the Empire State view? What you feel it about the view?
Well, the view is very pretty because you can see all the buildings and all the different parts of New York, and then it's easier to find out which areas are the best areas. Also, it's a great way to actually relieve yourself.
Okay. And also, Farwa, I would like to be a little bit tell about your dad, because today we're traveling from Canada to the New York, right? And how your trip? And did you enjoy with your dads or you bored? Can you please tell me?
Well, when we first started have to go in the beginning, it was kind of tiring. We had to move all the luggage and everything. But throughout the trip, I did have lots of fun. We had loads of fun. My dad also bought me a lot of things throughout the trip.
So what is your fun part? Like,
the fun part was probably coming here to this building and throughout the drive, because throughout the drive we were able to like experience fun with each other, I guess.
Last time you stay in the hotel, right? And after that we walk. How you feel that one?
I hate walking.
Oh, you hate walking. Why? Why?
Because it's not even the fact that I was walking; it's the fact of how far we had to walk.
Okay,
we're walking very
but
far.
why we need to walk? Why you not sit in the car? Because of the traffic? Because there's no parking here in New York? What do you think?
Because there was not enough, there wasn't any space to park the big truck that we bring.
Okay, so that's the reason we have to park, right? So, Farwa, I need to know, did you heard the how important is your feeling about the family life and the business about myself, right? What's your feeling about it?
Well, to me, your business is probably a thing that we actually need, or else we wouldn't have all this money. Your business is very
Go ahead.
nice because it shows a lot of people how to become a business owner. It shows people how to have fun and also be a business owner. Also, it shows how you can be good at two things at once. And it's like experiencing if you watch your videos though.
Did you watch any video?
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay, so how you feel about it? What I'm usually saying in the video.
You're usually giving tips or things to do when situations if your kids misbehaving, or if you're or ways to keep your wife happy and stuff like that.
Okay.
And how to increase the business.
Okay, so what is your future plan, Farwa? When you grow up, you want to become a business lady or you want to become a doctor?
A housewife.
Oh my God, you want a housewife? You don't want to make money?
My husband will make the money.
Oh my God, your husband will make the money. You will follow the mama rule then, right?
Well, he can work at MBE, so technically we'll be teaching on a
Oh my God, you're making me trouble, Farwa.
Anyways.
Okay, thank you so much, Farwa, for having me. I appreciate, and we keep in touch with you, दोस्तों। आप यकीनन ये वीडियो एंजॉय की होगी। I know ये वीडियो थोड़ी सी अंग्रेजी में थी, लेकिन मेरी मजबूरी थी कि बेटी अंग्रेजी बोलती है, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि दोस्तों आपने हल्की फुल्की हमारी जो डायलॉग सुने होंगे, हमारे तमाम लोगों ने इस चीज़ को ज़रूर इंजॉय किया होगा। थैंक यू वंस अगेन,
This is
दिस इज
Mansoor
मंसूर
Naqvi.
नकवी।